Hi everyone, welcome to week 2 of Discovering Science. That first week is always a little bit crazy as we try and familiarise ourselves with the discussion board. We try writing some posts, we try to get to know each other. We have login issues, we try and find the readings. There's lots of things that have happened in the last week, so thanks very much for your contributions. And I know it is quite daunting, especially there are a couple of students who are in this unit as their first teaching period, so welcome aboard again. And it's great to see how some of the more experienced students are helping you navigate the material and the ins and outs of the discussion board. So please make sure we continue to work together and help each other out when we get stuck. Okay, it's really great if we can do a bit of collaborative learning as the model is designed for that. So last week, many of you noticed, or you noted actually, I took note that many of you put that something you'd like to, in the activity where it said list what you already know and something you'd also like to know about teaching science. And one of the common themes that sort of came through there was that you'd want to know and understand a little bit more about the curriculum documentation in regards to science. So week 2, that's what we're going to start exploring, and we're going to be going on a tour. That word gets used quite often actually throughout week 2. So the 21st Century video is really great viewing. I'd recommend you watch that one. I love the interactive map where you can go to your state, territory and click directly on the document, and it will take you to the Australian curriculum or the for your actual area. So that's great. And I thought that was a really nice little variety to our learning. I also think this week's activity, week 2 activity, where you need to do a quiz, and it's a drop down, fill in the blanks, a close activity of completing the sentences. So a great way to test your knowledge there. So make sure you do all the readings and then do the quiz. So you might even aim to do the readings on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, do the quiz on the Thursday and then post a little bit later in the week. But again, that's up to you and how you work. You might do it all on the weekend and then have your post up early. So make sure you get involved. Discuss with each other the responses and how you went with the quiz. Okay, we're not judging anyone. If you get one answer out of 14, then you get one. Ask for points of clarification and join in with each other. Don't always rely on me to do the replying. Make sure you jump in and work together, because that will make our group a really great and unique group to be in. Okay, so working together, guys. And then what I want you to start doing in week 2, our first assessment isn't due until week 5, but the time does go quite quickly. So during this next week, I want you to start reading and understanding the assessment and what you actually need to do for the assessment, so that then that way you're familiarising yourself with that. And we will be holding a Collaborate session next week at some point, so either week 2 later in the week or week 3. So and we'll be answering all of your questions there. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. I look forward to seeing you on the board, and hopefully my video works this week. Take care, everyone. Thanks again.